Good morning, first grade friends, and happy Wellness Wednesday. I hope you had a lot of fun with your learning yesterday, and I know it felt really warm outside, so I hope you got a chance to play as well. Miss Field is here to share our morning message of the day, and I'm going to share some more summer birthdays. I know yesterday Miss Field mentioned the June birthdays, which are Miss Field and Alex, and today I'll tell you some more summer birthdays. But before we begin, let's start by doing a greeting with each other. Let's do a pinky shake. Are you ready? Stick your pinky out. Let's connect. Good morning. Oh, I love it. I loved how I saw so many friends do an awesome job with your math yesterday with counting by 2s and 5s. So we're going to play a little game quick before I share our message, and we're going to count by 5s up to 100, but we're going to take turns. So Miss Field will go first and then you, okay? We'll go back and forth like a little game. Here we go. Ready? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. You got it. All right. Miss Field is here to share our morning message, so you can always read along with me if you would like. Here we go. Good morning, friends. Today is Wellness Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. There is no new work today, but we will have our last class WebEx at 10 a.m. So this will be the last time that we meet all together and celebrate our wonderful year as a first grade class together. So today will be our whole group class on WebEx for the last time, so we'll have to make it extra special. We will celebrate our year as a first grade class. It will also be warm and feel like summer, so get outside and play. Make it a great day, and yes, be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, yesterday Miss Field shared our June birthdays. Today Miss Field's going to share our July birthdays. So we have July 2nd, we have Miss Lily. And then the very next day on July 3rd, we have Austin W. And at the end of July, on July 24th, we have Lucy and Allie, because remember, she's a twin. All right, let's sing those three a happy birthday super quick like we did yesterday. Here we go. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lily, Austin, and Lucy. Happy birthday to you. I hope you guys can celebrate your birthday this summer and have a lot of fun. I love summer birthdays. All right, my friends. Well, I will see you in a little bit on WebEx for our last class meeting, and I hope you have a wonderful Wellness Wednesday. I'll see you in a little bit. Goodbye, friends.